Welcome to Renewable. Today I'm gonna review this solar LED wall light that I got for my shed, and you can install in your shed or your garage. Is anywhere you want. Is work with the sun. It's solar, of course, and it comes with three different lights. You just press here to turn it on, and here show you this is bright, less bright, or nighttime. I'm gonna put bright. This is gonna illuminate a big area. It's a small light, but it's powerful, and it's work super nice and super easy to install. It comes with everything you need to install, the screws, and it has a if you don't wanna screw, comes with a glue. You can glue, so it's great. And it comes in black or white, so it's great. And that's it. It's a great product. It's waterproof, super well made. I love it. Now I'm gonna install it. I hope you guys like it. Bye.